Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing some daily afternoon cleaning and decorating. I am putting in my 4th load of laundry for the day, and that sounds crazy. I just got home, so I am still dressed. I end up getting hot and have to change my clothes, but this is my 4th load of laundry that I have washed, dried, and folded, and I feel like I typically average about 2 loads of laundry a day, but sometimes I just have to get caught up if I don't do that. But I don't understand like what has been going on, because I know that I did 2 loads of laundry for the past several days, so I should really write it down and keep a schedule, because it just baffles me sometimes at where all the laundry comes from. But that is definitely my biggest struggle when it comes to keeping the house neat and tidy. So what about you? What is your biggest struggle when it comes to keeping your house neat and tidy? This laundry room used to be closed off, so I could have laundry out and sorted, and I had racks, but now it's opened up and I don't want to have all that clutter in there, so I just disperse it through my house. Makes more sense, right? Yeah, I don't quite understand that logic either, but that is kind of what happens. I have several hampers, but I have to keep pulling everything out of the hamper to kind of like organize what type of load it's going to go in, and I really just don't have the space to have 6 hampers throughout my house to make it organized like that. So I really need to come up with a better organization system when it comes to sorting my laundry. I've got some laundry going, and as you probably know, the laundry situation is crazy, but I wanted to show you this cabinet, and I took all of the Christmas stuff down. I just stuck my hydrangeas back up there and cleared out all of the Santa mugs. I would rather use this space as like a laundry area. It used to be, it used to have racks on it, or rods to hang up wet clothing, but I took them down because it just made it look so messy in here, and this can be closed. Like I said, I plan to get rid of this in the future. It's an antique pie safe. It's just not really my style anymore, and it is so hard to see because the sun is pouring in the window. But what I wanted to mention was I don't want to use this as like a place to pile clothes, because it leads from our kitchen into here where we have our microwave and like a little coffee bar and wine area set up, and the drink fridge and stuff. So I just kept the coffee mugs in here. I thought that would be a good idea to utilize this cabinet that I have up here. So I put some of the Rae Dunn stuff that I had already up there. I think I actually have more. Let me get a good lighting. I think I have more Valentine stuff, but I honestly, this isn't my style anymore either, so just put a few things that I had stored in the bottom, and then these mugs. So I don't know, I might see if I can find some stuff to put in here and decorate it, but that's all I have for now. So I'm gonna go downstairs and start working on straightening that area up. I just want to first apologize for the lighting in the first half of this video. The sun was just pouring in, and it really affected the quality of lighting. I did try to fix it a bit, but it wasn't the greatest. That's why I kept looking at the camera to see like, what does this look like? Because it was not looking good. But like, the sun moved on and it gets better for the rest of this video, but I do apologize for the way that looks. So in case you are wondering about the quality, that is why. The good old sunshine. We do need a little bit of sunshine every day, so there's the positive in that. I am just refreshing this room. I haven't really done anything to it since I took all of the Christmas decorations down. It's kind of just been left the way it was, a little messy, definitely needed refreshed, and I did move a few things around, and that is what I'm going to be doing here.
Okay, get up, little bear. Come on, get up. Get up, move it. Come on, little bear, get up.
I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone else around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
Finally, the lighting has calmed down and it is back to normal, but I moved this vessel full of moss from the table. It was on the center of the table behind the couch, and while I loved it there, I did just want to change it up. I was finding it hard to change things down here because I'm really content with most things down here, aside from the walls, but that's a different story. So I moved this vessel right here to this little table, and I'm really liking it here, and now that gives me a place to put the new wicker vessel that I got from Home Goods that I shared in my last video.
Playing songs on my guitar, I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box. I just wanna go now.
I'm considering taking these back. I had these in my cart at Hobby Lobby. No, wait. I had these in my cart at Home Goods, and I'm like, I don't know if I like these, but it was $9.99, and they're like really tall, and I thought, you know, that would probably work in this vase. But I put them in the vase earlier, but the room was like quite chaotic, and I'm like, whoa, there's too much green in here, because I've got that plant over there, and then I have a big fiddly fig tree over there. So I feel like this was like, okay, it's like a jungle in here. quite take it out because I could probably return them. They're very like flat. I mean, I like the curve. That's your view from there. I don't hate it. I feel like it's better than nothing. Let me get a farther view. Okay, this is the view from coming down the stairs. There's the two green plants. Oh, I almost tried. The two green plants over there. Then you pan over. Nothing else green, and I've got my light in here, but I have another green plant right there. So I'm thinking I had some, probably, I think I had my Christmas tree in here when I was looking at it, and it was like too much. I think I'll keep them. They were $9.99. And if I don't, that vase is just gonna stay empty. And I've seen like those just plain twigs, but I don't know. I have those big tan things too. What are they called? It's like a giant pampas grass. I could put that in there, but I'm gonna go with this for now. So got those at Home Goods for $9.99. I just like the little curved one. And then now you can see better. So if you didn't see very good, I have everything moved around on this table. My 100-year-old book over there with some beads and a bust. I put this new vase that I got, or vessel, I don't know what you would call it, on the fur here. And then I moved my candlesticks, and I'm going to get a black bowl from Pottery Barn so that my husband can put all of his snacks in, because as soon as he gets home, he's probably gonna bring his snacks down here and keep them here. So I guess that is what I'm gonna do here. And I just have some a candle over there. I don't typically keep a candle there, but I might use it there. I'm gonna finish vacuuming, and then I will be done with this room. And ignore outside. We have like a bunch of boxes that need to be recycled. So I'm gonna finish vacuuming. That I will be all done down here.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Okay, I've got this room cleaned and refreshed from the after Christmas mess. All signs of Christmas are gone from this room and everything is cleaned. Everything is refreshed. So it's nice and cozy down here. That little cleaning and decorating spurt is going to wrap up my video for the day. I am putting in my 4th load of laundry, or actually that is my 4th load of laundry going into the dryer. So I'm going to be starting washing my 5th load, and which is the dogs' beds. They are in need of a wash, so I'm just going to pop those in for my final load of laundry for the day. So 5 loads of laundry in one day. Wow. Let's see how many I can do tomorrow. Hopefully I can just keep up with 2 more loads a day. That is so excessive, but that is just what's happening at this house. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.